Hi there, Manuel here. Firstly, I just want to say welcome. I want to say thank you for opting in. In the next few days, the next 5 days, I'm going to go through this course showing you about Forex trading. I want to teach you all there is to know about Forex trading. You know, in the next 5 days, I'm going to break down exactly everything you're going to be getting in a minute. I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to be going through and what we're going to go through today as well. And then in a moment, I'm actually also going to give you access to the actual program that I personally use, my #1 recommendation for earning in the Forex market. Yeah. But first, before we go into all of that, I just want to introduce myself very, very quickly. My name's Emmanuel. I've been trading now 8 years, really. And I would say for the first 6 years, I've kind of was just dabbling. You know, I just thought like I'll try a little bit here after work. I'd try a little bit here. I'd make a little bit here and I'd lose a little bit here. I'd keep jumping programs over and over again until finally I thought, no, listen, you've got to take this seriously. And that was about 2 years ago where I really just buckled down. I found a couple of systems. One of them, like I said, I'm going to introduce you to in a second if you're interested in having a look at it for yourself, that just helped me get profitable. And more importantly than that, it helped me get my mindset right. Yes, you need to have a good strategy, but you need your mindset right. That's the most important thing. If you're going to learn anything in these 5 days, one of the things I want you to take away is that you need to get your mindset right. If your mindset is right, then you could probably earn with any strategy. You know, as long as it's a profitable strategy, you could probably earn with it. But if your mindset's not, then definitely not. You're not going to earn anything. Do you know? So let me go through what we're going to be doing in the next 5 days then. Today, we're going to look at the 3 reasons why I believe Forex trading is the absolute best way to make money online. Yeah. Then tomorrow, we're going to look at the top 3 reasons why most people fail online. Why most people fail when they try to make money using Forex. Yeah. And probably you might even be doing one of these things yourself. And we're going to go through how you can correct that. Yes. Day 3 then, well, I'm going to show you why just using free YouTube videos to learn how to trade Forex is probably the worst way you can actually learn how to trade. Yeah, I'll go through all the reasons as to why that is. You know, I know people are thinking, right, I don't want to spend any money on this. I want to do this for free. But there's a reason that those people are out there giving free videos and why, you know, the training is free. Because if you could do it like that, I mean, why wouldn't everybody do it that way sort of thing? So we're going to go into that in day 3. Yeah. In day 4, I'm going to show you how you can trade and still keep a full-time job. One of the myths about trading people think is like, I got to be sat on charts. I got to be able to watch every little tick and be ready to buy or sell. No, you know, that's some of the stuff you've probably seen on the movies sort of thing where they're kind of what we're doing called scalping. That's a completely different thing. I can show you in day 4 how we can trade and be very profitable even if you still want to keep your full-time job. And it depends on your level. It depends where you want to be. Some people just want to use this to make a little bit extra. Some people want to be full-time traders, and you can do that, you know, even with a full-time job, or even like, you know, as if you had a full-time job. Okay. And so then day 5, I'm going to show you how you can stop losing money in the trading game. You know, how you can find the right tutors and how you can just go on the other side of losing. You know, most people, when they get into trading, 90% in fact lose money of trading. I'm going to show you how you can become one of the 10% and actually be a person that's earning money consistently with your trading. All right, so I hope you're excited about all of that. So let's get started then. Today, day 1, we are going to look at the 3 reasons why I think Forex trading is the absolute best way to make money online. So let's jump into it now then. So the first reason I think Forex is the best way to make money is because of the amount of money that's traded using it. This is a figure taken from a few years ago, actually. It's now 7 trillion. There's approximately $7 trillion traded in the Forex market every single day. Let me just show you what that looks like, you know, so you can kind of get your head around it. That's millions of millions, yeah. The London Stock Exchange, there's 7.2 billion. It's probably more than that as well now. 7.2 billion is being traded in the London Stock Exchange every day. Compare that to the Tokyo, 18.9 billion, and compared in the Tokyo stock market. In the US market, 22.4 billion traded on a daily basis. And here, I know they say 5 trillion, it's now 7. There's 7 trillion traded in the Forex market on a daily basis. And with so much money, with it being so liquid, all you need to do is learn how to take a tiny little bit of that out to be hugely profitable. And another good reason is because it's traded 24 hours a day. As you can see, London, Tokyo, New York, it's traded 24 hours a day. So whatever time zone you're in, whatever kind of person you are, morning person, evening person, you can trade the Forex market and use it to make money because it's so liquid. There's so much money in this game, you know. So that's one of the reasons. The second reason, I think, like what I was talking about a little while ago, is that you can trade it even with a full-time job. I'm going to show you on the charts a couple of trades that we would have taken. You know, this is a day chart. This is a pound USD daily chart. So each one of these red or green arrow candles is a day. Yeah, so this here would have been a place we would have taken a trade for loads of reasons. You're going to learn that as we go along, or if you want to have a look at the program yourself, I'm going to show you how to do that. Yeah, there's a trend line here, there's a support resistance line, there's these what we call moving averages. So right here would have been a place we would have taken a trade. So I'm going to put this this long position thing on here. So profit and loss. So here would have been where we would have got in. Stop loss would have been there. And we usually go for about 1 to 3. So that's about there. So roughly. So it would have been got in there, get out somewhere there. All right. Let me just get this out of the way now. So I would have got in somewhere there. That's the 30th of May. And you would have made your 1 to 3 by the 7th of July. So May, what's that, June? So just over a month and a tiny little bit. In a month and a bit, not sat on the charts every day, maybe just at the end of the day, come and have a look. We show you how to manage the trade and everything. In a month and a couple of days, you would have made a 1 to 3. That means for every 1% of your money you risked, you made 3% back. Yeah. Okay, another one here. Now that was what we call a buy going up. This one sell. Again, a trend line. There's the moving averages would have crossed. Don't worry about all of this. If you're interested, you'll be taught all of this. We take you from the beginning status all the way up to professional trader. Do you know, like whether you, like I said, whether you just want to use this to make a couple of bit extra, a few $100 extra, or you want this to be a full-time living, you know, this we can show you how to do that. But let's just look at this again now. So this would be a short position. Entry somewhere there, stop loss sort of somewhere there, just by what we call a trend line, and 1 to 3 is somewhere there. Right, again, this one would have gone, and the other one actually would have gone to 1 to 5, but we'll just get out 1 to 3. We're not going to be greedy here. There, 1 to 3 is there. Okay, so again, you would have got in there. That's the 31st of August to get out somewhere here, the 21st of September. Let's call that, let's just say the 30th of September. That's a month. So both of them to put together, say 2 months with the bit that you didn't trade, say that's 3 months, you would have made 6% increase on your account. So there's no promise of income here. I'm not saying that this is guaranteed. I'm just showing you potentially these are places we would have traded, and these are daily charts. So you're not sat on charts. You're looking at it in August, getting out in September. You know, you're not sat on charts. You just come at the end of the day and have a look. It's not, so you can definitely trade this with a full-time job. Definitely 100% trade Forex with a full-time job. And in fact, the leader of the actual system that I'm going to show you in a minute, he only trades daily. He's hardly ever on the charts. You know, it's amazing. And the third reason why I think Forex is the way is because you don't have to get what we call traffic or leads. You don't have to go and get people to come and have a look at what you're trying to sell. I looked here, I went to something called MailChimp, and I looked at the 10 ways to make money online. There's loads more ways than this, but this is just 10 ways that they showed. There's what we call find freelance work. Then you could start a YouTube channel, or you could start a dropshipping business. You could take online surveys. You could create a blog. You could write and publish an ebook. You could develop an app. You could become a visual tutor. You could become an influencer. You could build websites, or you could start investing. Yeah. And most of those ways, you need to get what we call traffic or leads. You need to pay for people to come and look at your stuff. Yeah, you know, if you've got a website, if you just say Amazon, for example, if you're selling on Amazon and you've got an Amazon store, you need to go and somehow get people to come and have a look at your store. Or say Shopify is another way people use to try and make money online. Say one of these was your Shopify store and you're trying to sell whatever on there. It's no good. It doesn't matter how beautiful your stuff is, unless you can get people to come and have a look at it, somehow pay people to come and have a look, what we call leads or traffic online, you're not going to make any money. Whereas Forex, you don't need that. All you need is a broker, some charts, again, all of that very, very low cost, and some money in your account, and you can start trading tomorrow. You know, so that is the 3 reasons that I believe, you know, that Forex is the way forward, is the way you should be using to make money. One, it's so liquid, $7 trillion a day, and it's open 24 hours a day. Secondly, you can do it with a full-time job. You don't have to be stuck on the charts. That's not a reason not to earn from this, you know. And thirdly, you don't need to worry about like going out and starting a website or getting people or traffic to come and look at your stuff. You can get started within the next hour. You get a broker and all these things are very, very easy. Again, we show you how to get started very, very simply with a low investment, and you're trading. Yeah. So those are the 3 reasons I think Forex trading is the way forward. So I hope you got some value from that. You know, I hope that interested you. If you want to have a look at the actual product, my #1 recommendation I believe that will help you with your Forex trading, then what I'll do is I'll leave a link below this video. There'll be a button below this. Just click on that. You'll be taken to the other page that will explain everything and show you exactly what we do and how we make profit on the charts, you know. But either way, look out tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to be looking at the top 3 reasons that people fail in their trading, and we're going to try and fix that. If that's you, if you're losing money on your trading, you might be doing one of these 3 things. So look out in your inbox tomorrow for day 2 of this training. So far, I hope you got some value from this. I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Till then, you have a great evening, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best.